Hello everybody, how are you doing today? My name's Kat, better known here as the Yogi vocal coach, and today we are doing an exercise all about melisma in the minor key. Normally we do exercises here in the major key, but we're going to make it a little bit spooky and a little bit minor, and I feel dressed appropriately for the occasion. I'm a big Black Veil Brides fan, as you might be telling from my last video, but let's get into it and we'll see how you go. The notes are try that again. One more time. Now we're going to try a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3. We're going to do it twice round, just like that. Let's try it. 1, 2, 3. That's the exercise. Minor key. Let's see how you go. Right, we're going to take it down a little bit and work our way up the scale. 1, 2, 3, and on your own. Couple more, you got this. Last one. Really well done. So the joy with this exercise is it runs through the minor scale. We don't often look at the minor scale with exercises. We usually la 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 major scale. This is all about the idea of getting you into that spookier, darker space. Now, you might notice that I'm quite compressed with how I do this. That is because at time of recording, I've yet to go through my voice surgery. Let's do that round one more time, starting F minor. Ready? 1, 2, 3, here we go. Push it 2 more. Last one, you got this. Excellent stuff today, everybody. Really well done. A little bit of something new. We're going into the darker, spookier sections of the voice, into that minor key rather than happy, smiley major. Good stuff. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like and comment down below letting me know how you plan on incorporating this into your warm-up routine. If you like my style of teaching, then I do offer actual lessons. I teach Monday through to Wednesday, and lessons are available all over the world as I teach online and in person. Lessons are £30 GBP, and I teach weekly or fortnightly. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Look after those voices of yours, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!